Hello and welcome to The Cosmic Lens, your favourite YouTube channel when it comes down to space, the universe and science. Today we delve into a remarkable confluence of celestial mechanics and solar physics that is currently unfolding in our solar system. The central focus is the interstellar object 3I Atlas, which has recently reached a pivotal point in its trajectory, aligning with a massive, highly energetic solar eruption. This analysis examines the recent superior conjunction of 3I Atlas, the resulting heightened solar activity, and the imminent space weather implications both for the distant interstellar visitor and for Earth. We look beyond the terrestrial to understand the energetic forces at play, including solar activity, planetary alignments, and their potential effects on our planet's geophysics, from seismic events to shifts in collective energy. Astrophysicists tracking the interstellar object 3I Atlas were able to forecast a significant orbital landmark, its superior conjunction with the Sun. This alignment, which occurred recently, was predicted months ago to coincide with a period of enhanced solar activity. That prediction has now materialized with dramatic confirmation. A massive coronal mass ejection, a titanic cloud of solar plasma that was observed launching from the far side of the Sun just as the Earth-Moon-Sun 3I Atlas alignment reached its peak. To grasp the magnitude of the forces now impacting 3I Atlas, we must consider its journey. While in the deep vacuum of interstellar space, the energy it receives from distant stars is negligible, measured in minute fractions of a watt per square meter, perhaps in the realm of 10⁻⁻7 or 10⁻⁻8 watts per square meter. However, as it makes its closest approach to our star, its perihelion on October 29th, the object will experience a calculated irradiance of approximately 735 watts per square meter. This represents an astronomical leap in absorbed energy, effectively giving 3I Atlas a substantial solar supercharge as it passes through the inner solar system. The massive CME is believed to have originated from a highly volatile sunspot group that had been responsible for numerous solar flares in the days leading up to the eruption. Now rotated to the Sun's far side, this region produced the colossal explosion that has captured the attention of space weather observers. An eruption of this magnitude has immediate consequences for Earth, almost certainly triggering a radiation storm. Early data confirms this, showing a sharp rise in low-energy electrons. Based on the physics of solar particle travel, the arrival of higher mass particles, such as energetic protons and ions, is expected within hours, marking the full onset of the storm. The celestial geometry was further highlighted by a new moon on the same day as the conjunction, adding a cyclical lunar component to this rare alignment. Analysis of the CME reveals a powerful and fast-moving event. Based on its speed, expert opinion suggests that had this eruption been Earth-directed, it could have resulted in a G5 extreme geomagnetic storm, the highest classification, reaching us in less than 24 hours. And for 3I Atlas, situated about 1.5 astronomical units away in the orbital plane of Mars, this fast-moving CME translates to an impact within roughly 2 days. Crucially, imagery and models indicate the eruption is preferentially directed toward the trajectory of 3I Atlas. The object is positioned almost directly opposite the Earth, meaning the CME is propagating precisely into its path. At the moment, 3I Atlas is reaching peak solar energy absorption. And the key question for solar physicists and astrophysicists is the exact nature of the interaction. While detailed NASA models suggest the core of the plasma bulk may narrowly miss, the interstellar object is expected to be slammed by the shockwave and bathed in the most intense solar radiation it has likely encountered in millennia. While 3I Atlas absorbs this solar blast, Earth is simultaneously preparing for the resulting radiation storm. Real-time solar wind monitors have already registered the initial electron spike, perfectly timed with the eruption. Scientists are now closely watching the proton flux, a primary indicator of a radiation storm's severity. Given the magnitude and position of the blast, an S2 to S3 level radiation storm is considered a high probability in the coming hours. Furthermore, these powerful energetic events necessitate a close watch on terrestrial geophysics. Historical precedents, such as the timing of the largest 2017 earthquake near the perihelion of the object Oumuamua, suggest that these grand-scale cosmic energy shifts should not be dismissed as factors influencing seismic activity. Consequently, An elevated awareness for potential large earthquakes over the next 2 weeks is warranted. Recent uncharacteristic seismic activity in areas like Poland and Scotland further underscore the need for vigilance. Beyond the data, this event holds archetypal significance. The recent new moon initiates a new lunar cycle. The alignment, combined with the explosive timing of the solar eruption, is seen as embedding the unique energy and information of 3i Atlas into our collective consciousness for the next 28 days. As the object approaches its perihelion and we move toward the final days of October, this period is being forecast as one of intense societal and collective transformation. The energy transfer is significant. 3i Atlas, having travelled perhaps billions of years through cosmic quietude, is now being intensely energized by the sun. This unique astronomical event, marked by a massive CME targeting the supercharged interstellar visitor, suggests the potential for explosive developments on a global scale. As we enter this highly charged period, a focus on personal well-being and preparation for what may be a turbulent few weeks is advised. The analysis of this event, a massive solar eruption coinciding perfectly with the critical alignment of an interstellar object, is an unparalleled moment in space weather observation. We will continue to track the incoming radiation storm and monitor the effects on both 3i Atlas and our own planet. If this content resonates with you, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And we'd love to hear your thoughts on 3i Atlas down in the comments. Thank you for joining us on The Cosmic Lens, and see you next time. To infinity and beyond.